Hey folks, welcome to Dave's Kitchen, and today we're going to do, every once in a while you get a craving for like some kind of greasy food or something. Okay, so today I'm going to try and duplicate the KFC recipe and the chicken, fries, everything else. So, I've ordered it before. I went to a takeout and got it the other night, and it's just like horrible. Nothing against KFC. Nothing against the people who deliver it. But I'm going to try and duplicate it, and we're going to do it at home, but we're not going to deep fry it. We're going to do it in the oven. So let's get on it. Okay, folks. So we're going to mix all the ingredients here, all the spices for the mixture, for the breading. Okay, so what I got here is black pepper. I know it's like the powdery stuff, but that's what's going to make it what it is. Garlic salt. And I'm going to put the recipe in the description, so you know it all, because like I can't remember the whole, I need a list right in front of me and I got no list. So ground mustard, salt, this is sea salt. I got oregano, I got basil, I got thyme, I got celery salt, I got white pepper. Well, that I know there's like 3 tablespoons. So there's quite a bit. I got some ground ginger, and I got some paprika, and we're going to mix it all together. Okay, so just take a whisk and mix it all together. Okay, and after that, like, you know what, guys? Like, I just had some of this stuff and it's just like horrible. It's just horrible. And I don't know if it's the people making it or, the location, whatever it is. It was just horrible. But I had to do it anyways. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to do this. So I've got everything mixed together, all the spices. So I got like 2 cups of flour. And this works out to about, I don't know, probably about a cup. Probably about a cup and a half. There's a cup, and it's probably about a cup and a half. Okay, and what I'm also going to do is put in some MSG, which I know it's hard to find, but if you have it in your pantry, aka MSG is accent. And you can probably find it in the grocery stores or whatever, but if you don't worry about it. And I'm going to put in about, about a tablespoon and a half of baking powder. Because we're doing it in the oven, we're not deep frying it, so I need it to be a little bit crispy. And we're going to dump it in. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix all that up. Okay, so we're going to mix it up, and then okay, so the MSG is going to give it a little bit of extra zip, and we're going to come back and dredge it once I get it, the chicken out of the fridge, and it's been soaking in buttermilk. So buttermilk and cholula sauce. And cholula sauce, I know it's tough to get, but I can get it at Nostalgia Latin Market all day long. And I'm going to take that out, dredge it in here, put it in the oven, and we're good to go. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to dredge the chicken. Now, the chicken has been sitting in buttermilk and cholula sauce. And like I said, cholula sauce you can get at Nostalgia Latin Market all day long. Or you can put in your favorite hot sauce. I just like cholula. And it's been probably marinating for, I don't know, probably a couple hours. Okay, and these are chicken thighs. Okay, and I like to use the chicken thighs because they're nice and tender. Okay, so just kind of, you know, dredge it. I know this is probably not the best thing to dredge the chicken in, but, you know, do both pieces. And I've got like a sheet pan lined with aluminum foil, and I got a rack on top. And the only reason I got a rack on top is so that the heat goes all the way around it. Okay, so it's going to get crispy all the way around. And, you know, I mean, you can do this at home. It's better than ordering it, because ordering it is just like, by the time it gets to your place, and nothing against the guys delivering it, but by the time it gets to your place, it's like cold or whatever, and you gotta, like, you know, put it in the oven. Well, why would you want to do that? You want to break it open and eat it. So, anyways, I got these coated, and I'm going to put in 375-degree oven for about an hour. Well, 45 minutes to an hour. And there we go. Next thing, crispy fries. And what would this be without the Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy? You know? Like, I'm going to make the gravy from scratch. I'll put the recipe in the description, and you're good to go. I've got the fries in there, and they're like fingerling potatoes. And I just got like salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, seasoning salt, and just a little bit of baking powder just to make them crispy. So I'll leave the recipe in the description. And right now we're going to make the Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy. Okay, so I've got about a quarter cup of butter. And butter's melted, and 5 tablespoons. Normally it's, guys, it's normally like equal amounts of flour and fat, but in this particular case, I'm going to add like a lot of broth. So you got to make it so that it's like, you know, like the roux is golden. Just like that. Okay? And then after that, just add 2 cups. I got 2 cups of chicken broth and beef broth, a cup of each. Okay, so keep whisking because you don't want the mixture to just like clump. Which, you know, you need to make a smooth sauce or gravy or whatever you want to call it. And Then we're going to add some spices. Okay, so we're going to add some thyme, or sage, sorry. Some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And we're going to keep whisking. Chicken's almost done. Fries are almost done. And oh, there we go. Bring it up to like, right now I have it on medium, but bring it up to medium high. Just to cook the flour just a little bit. There's the fries. There's the chicken. Now, it wouldn't hurt to have one of these little instant read thermometers. Because, you know, sometimes, well, you know, sometimes depending on your oven, well, it's done. So, 165, of course, is recommended, but, you know, I'm good with like 155 to 160 because it's going to kind of like cook a little bit when you take it out. Okay, so here's the sauce or the gravy, and the gravy's done. Doesn't take long. Just turn it down to medium or medium low and just simmer for a minute or two and it's done. And when we come back, we're going to plate all this and have a snack. The Kentucky Fried Chicken, well, the fries, I made my own fries. But that's only because the ones from Kentucky Fried Chicken are so soggy all the time. So, here you go. It's like crispy fries, and it's like juicy because we did it in like buttermilk, and the gravy, So there you go. You can do it at home. Do it in your oven. It's going to take about an hour. You do some fries. These fries here, like I said, they're fingerling potatoes. But if you got some frozen fries, just put them in the oven. Cook them to whatever the directions say, and if you want, you can put this mixture on because I'm going to put it in the description, and it's going to make it taste that much better. So, this is one of the recipes that I had to redo because the other one wouldn't upload. So, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you later. Take care.